All right, Nine Dimes Project, heading into our series 2, the freelance blueprint. This video is how to start freelancing this week, even with zero experience. So you don't need a degree, a fancy website, or 5 years of experience to start freelancing. People are getting paid right now for skills they learned on YouTube in the last 30 days. Today, we're giving you the exact step-by-step to go from I have no idea what I'm doing to I just got my first client this week. This is part 1 of a 3-part series on building a real freelance business from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a service to sell, price to charge, and a plan to find your first paying client. So we're not financial advisors, and this isn't financial advice, but freelancing will change your financial life and could change someone else's as well. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get into it. Choosing your skill. And chances are you already have one. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be useful. If you can edit video, businesses need video editors. You can write clearly, businesses need copywriters. Can you organize things, build a simple website, take decent photos, mow a lawn? Someone will pay you for something you already know how to do. So the 10% ahead rule. You don't need to be the best in the world, just better than your client at that one thing. A business owner who can't figure out Canva will pay you $200 to make their flyers. A restaurant that can't update their website will pay you $500 to do it. You're not selling mastery, you're selling time saved. High demand freelance skills right now: video editing, graphic design, web design, social media management, copywriting, and the trades: pressure washing, lawn care, handyman work, detailing. Pick one of them, not 5. One skill mastered is worth more than 5 skills dabbled in. Setting your price without guessing. So there's 3 pricing models. There's hourly, which is my least favorite. Simple to start, but caps your income. Trade time for money forever. Per project, flat rate is better. The faster you get, the more you earn per hour. And value-based is the best. Charge based on the value provided to your client, not your time. Start with the per project pricing and move toward value-based as you grow. Now, how to figure out your starting rate. Research what others charge and go on Fiverr, Upwork. But don't race to the bottom. Start 10 to 20% below market rate to get your first 3 to 5 clients and testimonials. Raise prices after every 3 to 5 completed projects. Your first clients are buying your future. Testimonials and portfolio pieces are worth more than the money. Pricing mindset shift. Stop thinking, what am I worth? Start thinking, what is this worth to them? A logo for a new restaurant isn't worth $50. It's the face of their brand. A well-written email sequence could make them $10,000 in sales. Price the result, not the hours. So getting your first client this week. The warm outreach method is text 10 people you know, friends, family of friends, former teachers, local businesses. Say, hey, whoever, I just started offering this service. If you know anyone who needs this specific thing, I'd love to help. Here's an example of my work with a link. Your first client is almost always 1 to 2 connections away. The local businesses walk in to 5 local businesses with a specific offer. You could say, I noticed your website, social media, menu, signage could use specific improvement. And I do this for small businesses. What to see or want to see some examples? Bring your phone with proof of ready or work ready to go. In-person outreach has 10x higher conversion rate than cold emails. The free sample strategy: do a small piece of work for free, unsolicited. Redesign their Instagram post, mock up a better logo, rewrite their about page, and send it. Say, I made this for you, no charge. If you like it and want more, here's the rate. A free sample sells better than any sales pitch because they can see the value. Platforms to get started on, but don't rely on them. Fiverr, Upwork, Contra are good for early projects and reviews. But these platforms take 20% and force you to compete on price. Use platforms to build a portfolio, then move to direct clients as soon as possible. All right. So as a reminder, we have our free wealth building tools and the links in the description. So what skill are you going to freelance with? Comment down below. And Friday, you've got your first client, and now we're going to make sure you don't get screwed. Contract every freelancer needs. All right. We'll see you in the next video.